Hi there, welcome to Browsify. In today's video, we'll explore the Vitals app, an all-in-one marketing solution for Shopify that includes over 40 powerful apps. With just one app, you can easily manage product reviews, bundles, upsells, AI-generated content, and much more. Let's start by going to the Shopify App Store, search for Vitals, and install the app. Once installed, open the app to explore all the marketing tools available. You'll see that with Vitals, you have everything you need in one place. First, let's look at the product reviews feature. You can easily import reviews from AliExpress, CSV, or other apps, and even collect them via email. You can customize how reviews are displayed on your product pages, including options for verified buyers, review count, and much more. Next, let's import product reviews from AliExpress. Just enter the product link. Select the number of reviews and confirm your import. In just 30 seconds, I've added 50 reviews for my product, building trust with potential customers. Next, let's look at the Product Bundles app. This allows you to create unlimited bundles, set volume discounts, and even offer BOGOS buy one get one free. The Volume Discount app lets you offer discounts when customers purchase in bulk. And the Upsells feature helps you increase your sales with targeted recommendations. With the Visitor Recordings feature, you can record and watch how customers interact with your store. See their clicks, scrolls, and even what they type. One of the coolest features is the AI-powered tools for creating video ads, product pages, and even marketing plans for your store. Vitals also includes a variety of other apps like Wishlist, Sticky Add to Cart, Trust Badges, and back-in-stock notifications to help boost conversions. Lastly, you can add features like spin the wheel for discounts, countdown timers for limited time offers, and even pop-ups for promotions. With Vitals, you have all the marketing tools you need in one place. No more installing multiple apps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.